Can we do arms crossed? Awesome, just keep looking. Oh yeah, don't, yeah. Stay right there. Let me take one test shot and we'll see what this looks like. Because it might suck. It's very bright still today.
And I can take my sunglasses off.
We're doing. No, I'd rather you have sunglasses than be squinty at me. Awesome. Can I just have you look right at me? Actually, can I have you? Nah, can I have you stand right here instead? Yeah, she gets scared. Oh yeah, just look right at me. Lean against it, maybe? Oh yeah, there we go. And then let's do like a hand in the pocket. Oh, okay, yeah. And then look down the road again so I can't see myself. Can I actually have you just cross your, oh wait, no, wait, yeah, do that on your, yeah, and just look straight forward though. And then stay right there. Ooh, I can shoot a 64 IS. Oh, wow. Nice. Ooh, look at you.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, let's do, can you do handle boxing? Awesome. And then let me get off a live view because that's gross. Am I recording? I think I'm recording. Okay, awesome. Yeah. Okay, cool. Just look right at me. Yes, good gear. Oh yeah, get in there.